Hello, I'm really starting to believe in Santa Claus because look what he gave to me. There is some tire repairing stuff, like the real professionals use. It's really strange that the Santa knew that I had this kind of rim project going on and painting the old rims. And what is even more interesting is that Santa knew that I have a nail in a tire. So let's try to fix this. You can see that the nail is inside the tire. I just bought these as used ones, these tires, and I guess that the air stayed still inside the tire, even there is nail through the tire. So let's prepare this area for the patch and glue that on and see if it holds the air inside. I have the patch inside to show the size of that patch, so let's just put some markings on the side of the nail. I don't have any official rubber grinder for this job, so maybe just to use with the angle grinder and try to use it so that it just takes the rubber away and doesn't give the so that it doesn't melt the rubber. I guess that's the purpose of having certain type of discs. Only a small nail. I wonder who uses these small nails. Now the puncture hole is over here marked with this ring. There is special tools for cleaning and widening the hole, but I'll just try to use first this standard drill bit or drill. Let's see how it works, or does it work at all. There is this kind of pneumatic grinder tool that's pretty close to that actual tool. I'm just trying to, that does it fit here. You can hear the sound from the beads. Okay, we didn't have any hole in the tire, but now we have a huge hole in the tire. Now there's a 6mm hole in the tire, and I don't know how the surface should look like, but now it's pretty plain. Just really gentle grinding with that angle grinder. Don't know if it's too smooth, but let's put that rubber cement on now and let it dry. Okay, there's already brush inside. I didn't know that I took one additional one. Now it should be left to completely dry. I guess that it will go, it doesn't function as repair if it's still liquid when you are putting the patch on, so now we have to wait while the cement is drying. I can watch some videos. But it's dry now. Let's take the protective cover away from the patch. You shouldn't touch this with your hands. I have to take some pliers. It needs to be rolled on position, starting from the middle. Now it's there. We should apply some sealer next, and let's check how that goes on. Like this. Now it looks like that. Let's check the other side of the tire. Now it's in the middle of the groove, so let's check how it comes away. Well, I can leave that stud inside there. It doesn't harm anybody. I guess that repair is now finished from that point of view, that the patch is inside. Let's see that how it works and put the tire on the rim. You have to remember that I'm no tire professional, and this thing is my brother's machine, so I'm looking like handicapped when I'm operating that, but let's try to get that rubber on the rim. Rookie mistake that I always make is that I leave the clamps on at this stage. So when you are popping the wheel on the rim, so then these will stay between. So that's kind of a rookie thing, I guess. So you should remember to release the tire like that. And then to grab your balls. These tires are for sprinters, so the pressure is on the rear tires it's 4.5 bar and in front it's 2.75, but I'm putting something like 4 bars for every tire. Little bit less than 4 bars, that's right. Or enough for this tire. Okay, we don't see any bubbles from that patch, so I guess it's successful so far. Let's do the other tires, mounting on the rim and then balancing the wheels after that. These are old studded tires, so I'm trying to maintain the direction of rotation. This is uniform, I guess, that it doesn't have special direction of rotation, but since the studs have been running on certain direction, it's not good idea to change the direction. They will loosen. At least these are already really old, so let's not put them in any worse condition than they already are. Some fucker has coated my rims with the polyurethane, but I guess it doesn't matter in that old car. Okay, now we have 4 wheels and freshly painted steel rims. Car is something like 99, so those rims are just adequate for that van. Let's try to balance these wheels. Okay, this machine is old. 3 parameters that you must set. The diameter of the rim, it's 15. The distance from this machine to this internal side of the rim, and there is a measurement tool inside the machine for that. So this is like 2 inches. So the place where the weight is located, this is giving me a lot of different readings, but let's put 2 inches. So like that. And then to measure the rim width, there is this kind of tool with the machine. It should be 6 inches, and it's quite close to that. It's 6 inches rim. At least it should be. Let's put 6.25. and drive with that. This old machine is a little bit tricky to use. It's a little bit broken and I don't know how to use it, so I have to at the same time somehow to practice it. Now it says that it's 12 grams outside and 31 out inside. So let's try again, just to practice it. It's 32 grams inside and 11 outside, so exactly the same figures, or almost the same. So the outside, now where the location of the weight is, it says that it's 11 grams on the yellow side of this. There is red and yellow side of this direction of this 360 degrees is divided into two sectors. So on the yellow side, on 11 degrees, and this was 32 grams on 32, or 167. You can always guess what this shit is telling you. But let's try to put this 11 grams. Okay, it's 60 degrees. 11 on 60. So here we have yellow 60. And then let's try to find 10 grams weight. Okay, we have 15. Let's try to make it 11. Well, should be close enough. Just took a part of it away. And now 11 grams on 60 degrees. On 60. To 31 degree, 32 grams on 166 on red side. So it should be over here. Now the moment of truth. Let's turn it again. And if it doesn't work, I will not show you. Let's zero the machine. Put it on 0 and then start to rotate it. Now it says 5 grams on that side and 3 grams on this side, so 0.8. Let's put that 5 gram if we have that kind of weight. That's not that much anymore on this side, so it's my own car. Now it's 1 gram on that side and 4 grams on this side. Maybe we try to put this 4 grams still. They wouldn't do that on tire shop. I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, now it's 0 on the outside and 2 grams inside, so it's perfect for these purposes. Grams on yellow, 42. One and 3 grams, so it's done that way. $41 grams. That's kind of a lot. Let's put 2 20s. One gram on that side, 2 grams on this side. Quite nice. Last one to go. One thing to check at the same time when the wheel is rotating, that the bead is staying uniform on completely whole time, so it hasn't gone bad. So I guess this is still quite okay. It is a bouncy, but it's an old tire, so it's a quite huge chunk of weight. 65 grams and 53. So let's put 230s on that side. Let's see that how close with those chunks we really got. Six grams and still 50. Three grams and 0, so that's enough for this tire. But there is something like over 100 grams of weights. And they are pretty much on the one side of the tire, so I don't know what's happening. But we will see and put it under the car and see that how it feels. Okay, that's the unprofessional way of packing the tire with patches or repairing the tire with that kind of patch repair and balancing with this old machine. So let's see that how they work under the van, but they should be better than the older ones. Thanks for watching, bye.